Hello and welcome to the session. Operating in a global context LO1. Understand the context of globalization. Is the world truly becoming smaller? Explore how globalization shapes our interconnected world. Discover its evolution, types, and impacts. From a business perspective, the world is becoming a smaller place. Businesses must embrace new ideas and opportunities. They need to adapt to a fast-paced, dynamic environment. This unit encourages exploring key globalization theories. It helps learners appreciate globalization's complexities and benefits. Globalization has evolved through distinct waves. First, second, and third waves mark different eras. Globalization 4.0 represents the latest phase. Each wave brings unique challenges and opportunities. Understanding these waves is crucial for grasping globalization's impact. Globalization manifests in various forms. Political, social, economic, and technological are key types. Each type influences global integration differently. Understanding these distinctions reveals globalization's multifaceted nature. They often overlap, shaping the interconnected world. Globalization connects economies, cultures, and technologies. It is driven by communication, transportation, and trade advancements. This process fosters interdependence among nations, ideas, products, and influences cross borders seamlessly. Globalization reshapes how countries interact. Economic globalization integrates national economies. It involves goods, services, and capital flow. Multinational corporations and global trade networks arise. Economic globalization creates a global marketplace. It offers opportunities and challenges for nations. Cultural globalization spreads ideas and values globally. Media, entertainment, and travel facilitate cultural exchange. It leads to cultural homogenization and hybridization. Local cultures enrich through global influences. Cultural globalization fosters global understanding. Technological globalization connects through ICTs. Instant communication and information sharing are key. It drives global connectivity and innovation. Technology transcends borders, impacting societies. Technological globalization shapes modern interactions. Political globalization involves global cooperation. Governments and organizations address global issues. Climate change, human rights, and security are key areas. International treaties foster collaboration. Political globalization shapes global governance. Environmental globalization links global challenges. Pollution and climate change require collective action. International cooperation addresses these issues. Environmental globalization highlights shared responsibilities. It emphasizes sustainability and conservation. Social globalization spreads social ideas globally. Movements and norms cross societal boundaries. It fosters global social issues and movements. Social globalization enhances interconnectedness. It shapes societal interactions and exchanges. Globalization evolved over centuries. Ancient trade routes laid its foundation. The Industrial Revolution marked a turning point. Modern globalization involves digital technology and liberalization. Each phase contributed to today's interconnected world. Early globalization involved trade routes like the Silk Road. Exchange of goods and ideas was key. Maritime exploration expanded global interactions. These early stages set the groundwork for future globalization. Cultural and economic exchanges flourished. Modern globalization is marked by technology. Digital communication and transportation drive it. Multinational corporations and global supply chains thrive. Economic liberalization boosts global growth. Modern globalization reshapes global interactions. Globalization faces criticism for inequality. Environmental degradation and cultural homogenization are concerns. Anti-globalization movements highlight these issues. Sustainable development and fair trade are responses. Global challenges require cooperative solutions. Globalization boosts economic growth. Access to diverse goods and services improves. Cultural exchange enriches societies. Technological advancements drive innovation. Job creation in various sectors is notable. Globalization can exacerbate income inequality. Cultural homogenization threatens diversity. Environmental degradation is a pressing issue. Labor exploitation in developing countries is concerning. National sovereignty may be compromised. Balancing globalization's effects is crucial. Policies must promote equitable gains. Cultural heritage protection is vital. Sustainable development addresses environmental concerns. Achieving balance requires careful consideration. COVID-19 highlighted globalization's interconnectedness. Global challenges require international cooperation. The pandemic reshaped global interactions. It emphasized the need for resilient systems. Globalization's role in problem-solving is undeniable. Globalization's future involves addressing inequalities. Sustainable practices and fair trade gain importance. Technological advancements continue to shape it. Global cooperation remains essential. The future holds opportunities and challenges. In conclusion, understanding the context of globalization is essential for organizations operating in an increasingly interconnected world. Globalization influences economic activity, trade, technology, and cultural exchange, creating both opportunities and challenges for businesses. By understanding its context, organizations can respond effectively to global market trends, manage cross-border operations, and adapt to cultural and regulatory differences. This understanding supports informed decision-making and sustainable success in a global business environment. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07484361688.